This is regular visit during night round patrolling. All gazetted officers, DYSP, their scheme is drawn. Every 15 days we are supposed to do night round. So today I am doing night round for North District, and there are one PI is in every district, in the subdivision, who will be also doing night round. So we are supposed to check and nakabandis and visit most of the police station in North District, and then border checkpost. And if any emergency is there, we are supposed to visit and act on it. So this is after a lot of after some major crimes happen. This is the corrective measures, and we are performing this night round. Now all points, I visited Salegaon police station, Kalangut police station. All is fine. And now from there here I am going to visit Doramag outpost, and then border checkpost, all that.
Sir,